Good morning, boys and girls, teachers and staff, and welcome to September 11th of 2019. And today is a famous day in history due to unfortunate events that happened on September 11th, 2001, in which there was terrorist attacks that happened in New York City on two buildings that were called the Twin Towers. Of course, you guys probably weren't even born yet, and some of your parents probably were in school at that time. So today would be a good day. I know some classes are talking about heroes, but celebrating the heroes that helped us out on 9/11 on that fateful day to really get people back going again, and for us always to remember this day as one of our heroes that saw our different people come out and actually do lots of great things of gratitude this day. So to help out one another, total strangers, to actually help each other through that day, which was a very dark day for many people, not just in New York, but throughout the United States. So tonight, boys and girls, when you go home, I would encourage you, talk to your parents about where were they at that time period on 9/11 and see what was happening in their lives at that point in time, and have them give you a little bit of information of what they remember from that day and what kind of events kind of followed from that. For our birthday list for today, remember, we don't have any birthdays for today, not till tomorrow. So as I had mentioned before, and today is an early dismissal day. So we will be dismissing today at 1:05. So hopefully all your parents and family members or friends of family who are getting you know about that today. Lunch choices. We have chicken sandwich, fun on the run, and beef and cheese nachos. And today we have our pause samples done by second grade class, but this time Mrs. Lake's class.
Alright, for our pause today, we have students that are going to talk about some things, especially dealing with not touching or hitting or kicking people. So they all came up with some suggestions of what to do.
Do not punch people. Don't kick people. Don't push people.
Those are all good things, and those apply in many different environments, whether it's in the playground or the hallway or even in the cafeteria. So let's make sure we listen and follow the expectations.
Thank you guys, I appreciate that. And remember, for our gratitude today is just to talk to your family members about what happened on this day on September 11th so that they can share their experiences with you. And if you have anybody who deal or in the military, then give them thanks, because a lot of them actually did a lot of great things for our country before that date and after that date. So it's always a good thing to be grateful for our armed services. At this time, let's please take a moment of silence. Thank you. If you could please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance.
Alright, boys and girls, it's time for our Pledge of Allegiance, and we have 3 students here from Mrs. Lake's second grade class. So we will do our Pledge of Allegiance. Please make sure you're standing with your hand over your heart. I pledge
allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you very much, guys, and everybody have a wonderful day today. And make sure that you do lots of things of gratitude, giving thanks for many things that we have, not in our just in our school or our families, but things that we get to do every day. Be very grateful for.